How to merge collage and save as one image in Yoshion. In today's video, we are going to learn to merge your collage and save it as one single image using the Yoshion app. So let's get started. First things first, open up your Yoshion app on your device and go inside it. I'm already inside it. So your home screen should look like this. Once you're inside, you'll be seeing several options right over here. Among the options, simply tap on collage as we are going to create a collage. Just tap on collage and go inside it. After tapping on collage, you'll be directly taken to your gallery section. Here you have to select the images that you want to add to your collage. Maybe this too. Just tap on next. Actually, you can add up to 16 photos to your collage from here. Now, just adjust the layout, ratio, border and background. Like this. Let's add the background too. Now we can also add the stickers, text, and also paint it by using the paint app, and you can even add the photos if you want to add the photo or the image later. And once the collage is ready, it's time to merge everything into one image. So merging collage right over here means merging the layers or the elements that you have already added to your photo or the collage, like this one. After you have finished writing over here, simply tap on this tick mark and it have been merged to your collage. After you have merged all the elements, what you have to do is save it. You save it, simply tap on save button, which is in top right corner over here. Tap on it and it's done. It have been saved to your gallery. That's it. You have successfully merged your collage and saved it as a single photo using the Yoshion app. I hope this video was helpful to you and it made your day too. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.